Central Manufacturing Technology Institute has set up a Smart Manufacturing Demo and Development Cell SMDDC as a common engineering facility center to develop, implement and support smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0 practices by Indian manufacturing industry. The SMDDC has a 10,000 square feet smart metal working workshop, which has machines like HMC, VMC, TMC, turning machines supported by integrated smart metrology lab for inspection and quality control of components that are fabricated. The raw material or tools or any bought outs that are received for machining or operation of workshop is given a particular RFID code for usage tracking and monitoring purpose. IoT-enabled automated guided vehicle (AGV) with integrated robotic arm makes the raw material unloading and movement within the workshop with a predefined map built into it. The AGV's movement is controlled and monitored based on the material movement requirement. AGV places the material to the machining facilities as per the navigation route of process planning. IoT-enabled machine monitoring solutions are capable of reporting the real-time status of the machine operations and its health with analytics for improvement of productivity and efficiency. Apart from smart factory solutions, technology and product developed and integrated by CMTI like digital twin of spindle and feed drive systems of machine tools, integrated smart foundry 4.0, smart integrated spindle, etc., enriches the SMDDC capability. The outcomes are smart diagnosis and prognosis, smart inventory management, production analytics, and model-based control. An indispensable part of the IIoT to manage SMDDC factory is through cloud connectivity. Real-time data provides operational visibility of the factory. The SMDDC smart metrology equipments are capable of capturing real-world data through high-precision contact and non-contact inspections, while the metrology software provides actionable information through advanced analytics, reporting and reverse engineering. This IIoT-enabled smart factory has machine and data connections at the factory floor which extend well beyond to include the entire supply chain, from raw material to finished product.